Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show all Firefox opened tabs preview in the Windows 11 or 10 taskbar. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down select this one settings option. In the Firefox settings, select General in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one Tabs section. Here you will find this one option, Show Tab Previews in the Windows taskbar. By default, this remains unchecked. And if you have opened several tabs and you will hover mouse over Firefox icon on the taskbar, it will show preview of the only active tabs. This one is active tab, and when I will hover mouse over this one icon, Firefox icon on the taskbar, it only show preview of the opened window. You can see this one preview window. However, if you want to show preview of all the opened windows, just check this one option, show tab previews in the Windows taskbar. Now whenever you will hover mouse over Firefox icon on the taskbar, it will display all the active tabs preview